need to remember everything that I'm going to be showing you guys today, right? But you guys can go to the website. The parents feel free to have them go to the website, and they can see how to build a Tinkercad house step by step. Right?
Okay, first create the walls of the house.
Okay. All right. So our first step is to create the walls of the house. So tell me, what shape should we pick first, guys?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay.
Pyramid.
But it's asking us how to create the walls.
So rectangle.
Rectangle or a box, right? In this case, a box right here, right?
Rectangle.
So let's place the box here, right?
And can you change colors?
Oh yeah, totally. We can definitely change the colors.
And how would we
You
make
can make yellow, blue. What are the colors?
That one, yeah, that's good.
This one?
Yeah.
To match your shirt?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we can go with blue. Actually, blue, yeah, blue works. Okay, so here it tells us the dimensions, right? So it's 20. Since it's a box.
Longer.
Huh?
Longer.
Longer? Yeah. We can make it longer, right? So let's make it 50.
And also wider.
Definitely, we can make it a little bit wider, right?
And taller.
And taller.
Yeah. So we can have 2 floors.
2 floors.
Yeah.
You live in the high life there.
And let's make it all the same. All the same.
Okay, so here you can see, right? So in a 3D model, what 3 letters are there that signifies a 3D model?
X, Y,
and
Z?
Yeah, that's right. Great answer. Great answer. I think you can do the demo here for me, for everyone else. Okay, so we've expanded the box, right? You guys can see it. Are you guys happy with blue, or do you want to change it again?
I'm good.
Yeah?
I'm good
Okay.
with all colors.
Cool.
Can the roof be red?
Yeah, we can turn the roof.
Maybe the roof should be yellow so that it looks better.
Okay, let's do a little contrast then, right? So here, so again, as one of our smart students said, we work on an XYZ plane, right? 3D model, you need all 3. You just can't work on the XY, otherwise it'll just be a 2D model.
I made a whole Minecraft creeper, and I designed the whole design myself.
Nice, that's awesome. That's cool. Minecraft is great too.
I do a lot of redstone stuff
Uh-huh.
of my own inventions, and sometimes
Yeah.
I see some people work and do it, and then get inspiration.
Oh, that's a great way to do it. That's a great way to do it. Okay, so here we already have our box, right? I put a roof there, but we don't need it right now. Okay, so here, you guys can see the step by step, right? I actually just went through it too myself, but you guys have this opportunity, right? That I'm giving you guys an introduction. Then you can try it out at home as well. Okay, so now the next step is to do the roof, right? We have a roof here, but there's an issue. What's the issue, guys? Tell me.
It's too small.
Too small. Okay, now what do we have to do next?
Make it larger and longer, or larger and wider.
That's pretty much what we're gonna do. So in this case, we can make the roof the same length and width as our box, right? But we also can make it a little bit larger, so that because when it rains, right, you want a little bit of space so people usually stay on it, right?
Bigger. Yeah,
Make it a little bit bigger.
Like a front porch.
Yeah, that's right. We can make a little front porch too with it, right? So here, that's pretty big, right? So does that look bigger than the box, right?
Yeah.
So let's double check. So this is just one view. This is our top view, right? So all we want to do is check it from all the angles. So this angle looks good right here. Right, it looks cool. And you can, awesome thing, you don't really need to do it, but check it under. It's an option that you don't need, but good to have. Right? Cool. All right, guys. So what do we do? What do you guys think we need to do next?
Place it on top of the.
We need to place it on top. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay, I'm trying to move it, but look, it only wants to move sideways, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to move the mouse upward, but it's not. And this is one of the issues that folks may encounter when using Tinkercad, right? But there is functionality here, right, that makes you raise it vertically vertical, or on the Y plane, right? Oh, I mean Z, on the Z. So here, the black arrow right here that you see, you guys can see this little black arrow with a red dot on it, right? So this one, if you just select that, that elevates it. That makes it higher, right? So it makes it lower or higher. This and that. And now what we need to do next is place it across, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, now we need to make it go down.
We need to make it go down, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it looks like it's a floating roof. And maybe one day we can build a floating roof for our home, right? Maybe put magnets on 4 corners so it'll just levitate it.
Oh yeah, that's.
It'll, you know,
Or maybe.
opposite charges, right? Some
Yeah.
floating roof.
Or
Maybe you guys can build that one day.
Let's go.
Put
Right?
it down.
Or
Put it
maybe
down.
Instead of
Let's go put it
magnets, we
down.
could use-
Christine, how about please?
Okay, so we're putting it down. By the way, you can zoom in too here, right? There's a zoom in function here. Oh, there you go.
It's not equal. The sides are not equal.
It's not.
It's not centered.
That's right. How do you think we can center it?
By moving.
Looking at the top, right, or at the bottom?
Yeah, I
Or
think
the
the bottom
corners?
is better.
The bottom is definitely better because our roof is bigger, right?
Yeah.
So here at the bottom, you can see that it's definitely not centered, right? Right. So here, and you can also see here too.
It's so floaty.
Yep, still floating. So let's center it first. All right. So now it looks like it's centered, right, guys?
Yeah.
So what do we have to do next? Now land a roof, right?
Yeah.
So let's do that. Right. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, and let's make it gray.
You want the roof gray?
Well, no. Now that I think about it, let's make it a little bit white.
A little bit white?
Yeah, navy
If we
blue
do white,
will
it'll... Yeah.
go really well.
Yeah, there you go. Are you a designer? Do you want to be a future designer?
No,
A future architect?
not really, but I am a really good builder in Minecraft.
That's cool. That's awesome. All right. Cool. Okay, what do we have to do next, guys? Now we
doorway.
have the doorway. Yes. A doorway. Let's do the doorway.
But we need to make a hole.
Hmm?
We need to make a hole in the wall to make it a doorway.
Mm-hmm. That's right. So, let's... What do we need to do? You guys tell me the shapes that you think we can use to make a doorway.
That's a circle.
A circle? You want a circle doorway?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try it. All right. I'm totally cool with a circle doorway. So, but it's going upward, right? So we want the hole to flip, right? So let's flip it then. Boom, boom, boom. Right there. 90. So we flipped it 90 degrees because that's the point of perspective that we have for the hole.
Put it
Right?
on solid, not cold.
Hmm. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We're gonna hold it up. We're gonna hold it up shortly. But
Yeah.
we gotta shrink the. Don't you guys think we gotta shrink this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not too big, right? Otherwise, it's gonna just look weird to the house. It's gonna look like a cave house.
Oh, and how about we make a porch?
A little porch, yeah. We can
Yeah.
probably do a little porch too. Let's see. Let's fix this first, right? Okay. So fix the perspective. Always want to double check the perspective, right? Because that now, okay, boom,
Okay, that's
right?
better.
Right. So that's working right there. So now we wanna bring it backwards, right? So let's see, front. Oh, see, sometimes you gotta play around with the perspectives, guys. Okay, so now, does that look like a door to you guys? Not really, right?
No.
But we're getting close. That's what we want. So we have it there, right? But now what's the next step we want to do is we want to hold it, right?
Yeah.
And then we want to group it with the square, and this way it'll make the hole. Boom. There you go.
Now let's walk
Isn't that
inside.
awesome? Yeah, now people can walk inside and outside.
But what about the rest of inside? It's just this one.